Birdcage blue and yellow, candles warm and windows black, tracing